Go ahead, lie down. I want you to keep your knees bent where you're comfortable. Palms out nice and wide. There we go. Okay? And palms down on the floor so you don't sway around. Keep your head nice and relaxed. Look straight up. I want you to bring in your knees towards your stomach and your chest. Lift your butt slightly, then go all the way back down. Blow out on the way up. Breathe in on the way down. Keep your feet nice and comfortable. I don't want your knees touching each other though. Have a nice little gap where your hips, knee, ankle are all lined up, okay? Now, you can see her stomach working. Come up, squeeze, go back all the way down. Keep your whole upper body nice and relaxed. Give me a speed on this exercise, since it's a huge range of motion. Give me a speed of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we'll be perfect.